Avocados are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, and freezing them can help preserve their freshness for a longer period of time. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of freezing avocados. Hi there, I am Jack, a food enthusiast from Blogging Good Food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Let's get started. When it comes to freezing avocados, timing is everything. Make sure to freeze them only when they are perfectly ripe. If they are too firm or underripe, their texture and flavor won't be as good. So opt for avocados that are at their peak ripeness. Step 1. Prepare the avocado. Start by slicing the avocado in half, removing the pit and scooping out the flesh. Step 2. Adding lemon juice to avocado flesh. To prevent browning, squeeze some fresh lemon juice onto the avocado flesh. The citric acid in the lemon juice acts as a natural preservative and keeps the avocado looking vibrant. Lemon juice plays a crucial role in preserving the vibrant color of avocados. Skipping this step may result in brown, unappetizing avocados when thawed. Step 3. Mashing or slicing. At this point, you have two options: mashing or slicing the avocado. If you prefer mashed avocado, use a fork to mash it until smooth. For sliced avocado, cut it into desired shapes or sizes. Both methods work well for freezing. Step 4. Storage. Place the mashed or sliced avocado into an airtight container or a freezer bag. Make sure to remove any excess air before sealing. Label the container with the date to keep track of its freshness. Step 5. Freezing. Lay the containers flat in the freezer, ensuring they are not stacked on top of each other. This way the avocados will freeze evenly and prevent any damage. And there you have it, folks. Now you can enjoy this versatile fruit even when it's out of season. If you found this video helpful, please show your appreciation by giving it a like and subscribe to our channel for more food preservation tips and mouth-watering recipes.